Hello dear students, this is Neeraj Paul from LPM Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Once again, I welcome you to online classes. Dear students, today I am going to explain chapter first. The chapter name is Computer Hardware and Software. Okay? And today's our topic is Computer Hardware. As you all know students, the parts of computer which can be seen and touched are called hardware. Those parts we can touch, we can see, this is called hardware. Computer hardware is classified into three categories. First is input devices, second is processing devices, and third is output devices. There are three categories of computer hardware. First is input devices, second is processing devices, and third is output devices. Okay? Input devices are mouse, keyboard, light pen. Processing devices, CPU, that is stand for Central Processing Unit. And output devices are printer, monitor, sound, speaker. These all are the output devices. So first of all, we will discuss about input devices. Okay, what are input devices? Input devices that are used to enter data into a computer are called input devices. Data can be words, numbers, audio, video, images, graphics, and so on. Students, the devices that are used to enter data in a computer system, those devices are called input devices. Such as monitor, keyboard, light pen. These all are the input devices. Keyboard. Keyboard is the most essential input devices. It has 104 keys which help a user to enter data and instruction into a computer. A computer keyboard is an essential part of a computer. It has 104 keys which help a user to enter a data and instruction into a computer. Each keys on a keyboard is used to perform a specific action. In general, there are two types of keyboard. There are two types of keyboard. As you all know students, there are two types of keyboard. First is QWERTY keyboard and second is multimedia keyboard. Okay, first is QWERTY keyboard and second is multimedia keyboard. Okay, and then second input device is mouse. Students, a computer mouse has two buttons, left and right, with a scroll bar. Okay, suppose that this is a mouse. Okay, this is left button and this is right button. And in the center of both buttons, you will find a scroll bar. Okay, this is scroll bar. So students, a mouse has two buttons, left and right button. And one scroll bar. Light pen is also an input device that is used to draw images in your computer system. And the next one is scanner. Scanner is also an input device. It is used to transfer images information from a hard copy into a computer. A scanner can read text as well as picture printed on the piece of paper. For example, printed document, photographs, or even a handwritten document. There are three types of scanner: flatbed scanner, sheet-fed scanner, and handheld scanner. There are three types of scanner. First is flatbed, second is sheet-fed, and third is handheld. And the next input devices, that is webcam. Dear students, a webcam is the short form of web camera. A webcam is a short form of web camera. A webcam is connected to a computer to capture still image and record videos into a computer system. It is used to live video chatting, video conferencing through the internet. Nowadays, most of computers come with inbuilt webcams. And the next one is digital camera. Digital camera is also an input device. Okay, a digital camera used to capture photographs. The images are stored in digital form using a memory card. Using this camera, you can take picture and also record videos, and then after you can input in your computer system. Okay, students? Now the next one is, processing devices. Dear students, a computer has only one processing device. A computer has only one processing device, which is the CPU. Which is CPU. Computer has only one processing device, that is CPU. And CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. Okay? Let me erase it. CPU is the only processing device in computer system. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. Central Processing Unit. Okay? You have to learn it. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. Now dear students, a CPU is divided into three parts on the basis of its functioning. A CPU is divided into three parts. Okay? First is MU. Second is ALU. And third is CU. Okay? Central Processing Unit is divided into three parts. First is MU, second is ALU, and third is CU. MU is stand for memory unit. MU is stand for memory unit. Okay. ALU is stand for arithmetic logical unit. And CU is stand for control unit. Okay. So dear students, we have learned about computer hardware. There are three parts of computer hardware: input devices, processing devices, output devices. Input devices such as mouse, keyboard, light pen, webcam, joystick, these all are the input devices. Processing devices, CPU is the only one processing devices. A CPU is divided in three parts. First is MU, ALU, and third is CU. Output devices such as printer, monitor, speaker, these all are the output devices. Okay students, now the time is gone over. Next day I will explain output devices. Okay, bye bye everyone, have a good day.